Hi everyone, welcome again to this Python course. Okay, so this will be a pretty simple lecture. How can we use Google Colab? It's super easy. You just need to have a Google Drive. This Google Drive will be the place where you need to place the course materials. Now, going through Google Drive here in Drive Google, you can go, for example, for one of the notebooks, those YPYBM extension files that we have on the course materials. You just double click them on Google Drive and this will open the Google Colab notebook. Although I'm going to give you a better tutorial on Jupyter notebooks in your own environment, using Google Colab is exactly the same thing. The only difference is that you'll have the code here and you can run the code executing this icon using this icon that I have my mouse on. Okay, so if I go here and click here, this 1+1 line of code will execute in the background on this Google Colab notebook. Okay, this is an alternative if you don't want to set up Python in your computer and you still want to follow the materials in some way using a cloud environment. You can just go here again, go here to the folders using Google Drive, double click the notebook files and they will open inside Google Colab. You can follow along the lectures with this only small difference that you have to run the code here using this icon, contrary to other ways that I'm going to show you in the next section. Again, this is an alternative that you can use if you don't want to set up any Python environment in your computer. Cool, we have several ways for us to proceed with the course to run Python code. Now let's get down to the real deal and start to learn Python code. I hope you're excited. I hope that you are ready for this journey, which will be a really long one and a really fun on learning Python, which is one of the most used programming languages in the world. So without further ado, let's start. I'll see you in the next lecture.